Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you understair storage ideas. So keep watching this video until the end, and if you're new to my channel then please don't forget to subscribe it and hit the bell icon for the latest video update. I wish you all the best and have a wonderful day. Wondering how to use the space under stair in your home? With little creativity, this compact area can be transformed into a functional living storage space you will love. From pantries to libraries, check out this video of unique staircase storage idea that will inspire your next home improvement project. Store your books in a mini library. Install a few shelves or cabinet, fill them with your favorite novels, and turn that awkward space under the stair into a gorgeous small home library. This area provides a perfect book storage solution without having to add extra furniture to other rooms. You can also store magazines, photo album, and board games here. Design a cozy reading nook. If you can't fit a reading nook in your small living room or bedroom, you can make one under the stair. Simply add comfy cushions and good lighting, and you will have a space you will never want to leave. If you have enough room, build a bench. That way, you have a place to sit and book storage. Create a small office there. Instead of using that extra bedroom for a workspace, consider turning the space under the stair into a compact office. No matter the size of your space, you can create a custom office area that will feel like private workstation. Add a few shelves above your desk to store papers, file and other office items. Simple and classic cabinet design under stair storage can be as simple as having compartments that can fit items to be stored. These compartments can be concealed by cabinet doors that feed the space of the understairs. Even with plain white paint, these useful understair storages can be just as lovely as useful as any customized cabinets. No drawer, no problem. Drawers are very common way of designing a storage, but it is not always the most practical option. Having just shelves can be a great alternative to having drawers. These shelves make us of all spaces, and the woven baskets add as lovely and useful decoration for the understair storage. Install sliding stair drawer for hidden storage. Sliding drawers are easy and compact way to maximize staircase storage space that would otherwise go to waste. They also provide a way to hide unsightly items, making them great for smaller homes that may not have enough closet space. Under stair kitchen, this method of using the space under stair is recommended only in very tight situation, when the lack of space is really an issue and you already eliminated all the other options. Using the area under your stairs as kitchen, or at least a part of kitchen, in my opinion is a bit on the limit, because I am a girl who likes to cook a lot, and when I am doing that I don't want any shoes laces getting in my food or mention dust or dirt. For those who don't have a lot of space to play with, that spot can easily incorporate some appliances, a sink or a stove. Above that, you can put all your plates and coffee cups or small shelf spices as well. If you like wine and you like having a good wine always hand, you can have a special place for it. You don't need a large cellar in your house to store your wine collection. Turn that understair space into a wine room that can both store and display your bottles. With a little work, this space can have the visual appeal of a measuring renovation for friction of the cost. You can also make entertainment unit under a staircase. The space directly underneath the staircase can also be efficiently used in other ways. For example, in case the staircase wall is large enough to allow you to place a TV and extra furniture on it, it's a different kind of storage, equally practical. If the staircase wall is a part of living area, then it's easier to include it in the decor and to use it for a storage. For example, in this case, the wall was completely covered in furniture featuring a variety of compartments, shelves and storage spaces. For a larger staircase, you may create a laundry space with a storage next to it. Add door with a unique shape to give more wonderful appearance. This idea will help you to keep your house clean and tidy with simple step and easy. Create an indoor garden under stair. This can be a unique place to introduce some greenery to your home. The unique and nowadays popular use is indoor garden under stair. If your space receives some bright indirect light there or by using artificial lights, you can do this. If both are not possible, you can create greenery by fake plants. Another way to utilize extra space under your stair is adding a small bathroom. This can be a great addition to the first level of your home, especially if you have entertainment a lot of guests. If that's not an option, you can always go the less expensive route and create a small powder room. I hope this video will help you to choose the best understair storage design ideas. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel to see future videos. And you can also follow my Instagram account. It's Shilpa's Home Decor Ideas. And thanks for watching this video and have a wonderful day.